Hello foodies, as promised, here is my Semovita cake. Yes, I use Semovita to make this cake. In a bowl, you're going to add some oil, sugar, eggs, and then your buttermilk. Stir that very well and then add in your Semovita, baking powder, and salt. Give that a very good mix, and then you're going to add some vanilla and I missed a clip of that. So you're going to add some vanilla and then your coconut flakes. I use this desiccated coconut, fold everything in, and it's ready to bake. Transfer that into your baking tray or pan and then spread it out, add more coconut on top, and then arranging some almonds here. This is totally optional, by the way. And then I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes, I think, also. So it should look like this once it's done. The original Semovita cake requires you to soak this in sugar syrup, but I don't really like sugar, so I omitted that step. Instead, I used something else as my own sweetener for this particular dessert. Here I'm just cutting everything, and yeah, this is how it looks. So I use date syrup for mine, as it's not as sweet as sugar syrup, as my topping sauce. And here you go, guys. Order from Arakase. Bye.